Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to convert drawings from 6mm to 1/4 of an inch. Now some of you, mainly in the States, will only be able to buy 1/4 inch plywood, and obviously that's a slightly different thickness to 6mm. And here I am on makeadesignlab.com, and they have a very good page on how to resize materials, and all I've done here is the original metric thickness is 6mm, and we're going to 6.35mm, which is 1/4 of an inch. And the difference here is 105.83%. That's all we need to know, 105.83. So if I go into my laser controlling software, which happens to be Lightburn, you can see there's an area here where it says percentages, but it's grayed out. We need to select everything, and then it becomes changeable. Make sure that this padlock is locked as opposed to unlocked. So lock in there, and it's 105.83. So I put in 105.83, and when I click return, you'll see both the width and the height change. And now this is ready to cut out of 1/4 inch material. It really is that simple. Now bear in mind that the sizes shown on the plans, the metric sizes, will be increased slightly, and you will also have to change and cut the spacers. The cleat spacers will also need to be changed to 1/4 of an inch, so that all of your cleats, as you put them on the wall, will be 1/4 of an inch apart as opposed to 6mm. I know these are only small margins, but they do make a difference. Okay, well, I said it was quick and down and dirty. That's all. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, comment. Particularly comment if you do this in a different way. I've been Alan, you've been watching, and I'll see you in the next video.